Thank you for coming on Sunday early morning. We welcome everyone to our 2013 Jaina Academic Bowl Intra-Team Competition. Houston Senior Team will be participating at Jaina Academic Bowl in the upcoming 2013 Jaina Convention, which will be held in Detroit from July 4th through 6th. The team has been working very hard and practicing for the last 3 months every weekend. They have spent many hours on the weekend studying in groups and have completed all the books of Pashala curriculum from class 1 through 9, covering 101, 202, 203, 302, 901, 902, 401 and 931, all the books. Today they will be demonstrating a mock Jaina academic ball competing within their team. I would like to thank all parents and Jain Society of Houston for their huge support in this event. Please welcome Team Adam. The team members are Siddharth Shah, Shruti Shah, Maulik Shah, Parth Shah, and Archit Deswal. Let's give a big round of applause to our team Adam. Salil Oja will record the score and time. Thank you, Salil. I would like to request the audience to maintain complete silence and turn your cell phones off. None of these questions have been shared with any of the team members. Before we begin, I would like to say Michami Dukadam. If you find any errors in our presentation and preparation, we request for your forgiveness. And Michami Dukadam is the team. We'll begin our first round, which is an individual team round. I'm going to say the rules first.
जरूर नाम अच्छा नहीं चल रहा हाँ बस that's good no
that's good
enough
ए आ चालू रखो नहीं चालू रखो
Team will go first. We're going to flip the coin. So Team A will go first. Team A, Siddharth and Parth. Team B, Shruti, Maulik and Archit. The very first round is the individual team round. This round will have 8 questions per team. This round will be non-competitive, that is, each team will have 8 questions to themselves without using the buzzers. While one team is having the questions read to them, the other team will remain silent. There will be 4 questions of 20 points each and 4 questions of 15 points each, total of 140 points for 8 questions. There will not be any penalty for incorrect response. 7 seconds will be given after the question is read before it will require for the team to respond. The moderator will say, answer please. Once the team member starts answering the question, no more than 5-second pause will be allowed during the answer. For anagram, 15 seconds will be given to each team. The team must begin answering immediately at that point. The captain or whoever is designated by the team will answer the question in this round. These questions can be a bit long in length and may have several parts to the question. The other team will not be able to answer missed questions. So we'll begin our first round.
Just for the audience, Team A is going to be on the left. Team
That is correct. Question number 2. Take the number of types of punya and add it to the number of Tirthankar whose symbol is hawk. Name the Tirthankar's mother.
Bamadevi.
That is correct. For 20 points. Question number 3 for 15 points. Name the married couple from ancient Jain history who were the devout worshipper of Sikchakra.
King Shripal and Mayasundari.
That is correct. Question 4 for 20 points. Solve this anagram. Aunt finally sang the song. A-H in capital bold, A-U-N-T in capital bold, and S-A-N-G capital bold. Rearrange the letters to make a word on the first clue for 20 points or on the second clue for 10 points.
Please answer.
Anagram, 15 seconds.
Can we get the first clue after 15 seconds?
Yes. Salim, can you show what you anagram? Here. Anagram is on the screen. This is the first clue. It is a path for soul to liberate. Do you need the clue 2? We'll give you second clue. Clue number 2, please. It comes in stages.
Winston.
That is correct. For 10 points. Question number 5 for 15 points. My uncle's statue is located in Shravan Belgoda. Who am I?
Marichi.
That is correct. Question number 6 for 20 points. What 4 karmas do Arihantas shed at the time of liberation?
The Gati karmas, which are Jnanavarnya, Darshanavarnya, Mohanya, and Antaraya.
That is incorrect. The correct answer is Nam, Gotra, Vednya, and Ayushya at the time of liberation. Question number 7 for 15 points. How many years are left in this current era?
18,500.
That is correct. Question number 8, 20 points. It has several parts to it. So I will say all the parts. Name the Yakshini or attendant goddess. These questions are all about Parshvanath Bhagavan. So name the Yakshini or attendant goddess. How long did he live? What animal did he try to save from a burning wood? In Gujarat, which is the most famous yatra or pilgrim place for Parshvanath, which place did he attend moksha?
Padmavati, 100 years, he tried to save a snake from the burning logs. Shankeshwar, and he attained Nirvana at Samashikar.
That is correct. So this ends round 1 for Team A. Team A score is 110.
10 points.
Okay, now Team B for round 1. Complete this Sudhi. Shivamastu Sarva Jagata.
शिवमस्तु सर्वजगतः परहितनिरता भवन्तु भूतगणाः दोषाप्रयन्तिनाशं सर्वत्र सुखी भवन्तु लोकाः.
That is correct. Question number 2. Subtract total number of virtues of Upadhyaya from total number of virtues of Acharya. Name the symbol of the corresponding Tirthankar.
Please answer.
Shreyansnath and
Time.
Bo.
Correct answer was hippopotamus for Shreyansan. Okay, next question for 15 points. In 1893, a conference on world religions was held in Chicago. This man from India traveled to USA to represent Jainism.
Krishandar Gandhi.
That is correct. Next question for 20 points. Solve this anagram. Park your car and run instead. P-A-R-K is in bold capital. A is on the screen. A is in bold and R-U-N is in bold. Rearrange the letters to make a word on the first clue for 20 points, second clue for 10 points.
It's 15 seconds.
First clue, it is a place.
It's 30 seconds.
Second clue, it has 1 4 4 pillars. That is correct. Correct for 10 points. Next question. When Sundari and Brahmi went to Bahubali to request him to forget his ego, what Panchendriya Jeev did they figuratively use to symbolize?
Elephant.
That is correct. Next question for 20 points. Name all 5 kinds of knowledges. Answer in Indian language only.
Matignan, Shitagnan, Avatignan, Manaparyagnan, and Kevagnan.
That is correct. Next question for 15 points. One day is equivalent to how many murats?
30.
That is correct. And last question for team B. Answer each of the following questions about the life of Adinath. In what city was he born? What were the names of his 2 sons? What was the name of his mother? What was his symbol? What is the other name he is called?
He was born in Vinita Nagri or Ayodhya. His 2 sons are Bharat and Bahubali. His mother's name was Maru Devi. His symbol is bull, and his other name is Rishabh.
That is correct. This concludes round 1.
Team
we
A,
have this?
Team A has 110 points. Team B has 110 points.
This round will have 12 questions. This round will be competitive, that is, whichever team brings in first with the buzzer will have to answer the question. The correct answer will gain 20 points or lose 20 points if the answer is incorrect or there is no answer. If the buzzing contestant does not answer or answer incorrectly, the second team does not get a chance to answer that question. The clue here will be fairly short with speed and anticipation being very important. It is important to note that the individual who buzzed in first will have to answer the question. He or she cannot discuss with team members after the buzzing. The team will be penalized by losing 20 points if team members discuss this or give input to the individual who is supposed to answer. Name 4 out of 6 internal austerities.
Prayashchit, Vinay, Kayasar, and Swadhyaya.
That is correct. Thank you. Next question. Answer in Indian language only the 4 types of bandha. That is correct. Question number 3. When one attains Keval Gyan, one is in this gun sthana.
13th.
That is correct. In whose praise and who wrote the Kalyan Mandir Sutra?
Siddha Sen Divakar wrote it in praise of Parshvanath.
That is correct. The highly accomplished sadhu can assume this type of body.
Ahara body.
That is correct. Question number 6. Kashayas are classified into 4 levels of intensity. Name any 3 of them.
Sanjavalan, Apratikyan and Pratikyan.
That is correct. Question number 7. This giant king who was a follower of Bhadrabahu Swami.
Chandragupta Maurya.
That is correct. Question number 8. Name the authors of the following 3 books in order. Saklarath, Dashavaikalik and Bhaktamar Suri.
Hemchandracharya, Shyambasuri and Mantam Suri.
That is correct. What is the only type of karma bondage that cannot be undone and require?
Nikachit.
That is correct. And the question was, what is the only type of karma bondage that cannot be undone and requires you to bear the result? Doubting or being skeptical about the religion expounded by Omniscient is this type.
Shokmanya. Dharma.
That is incorrect. The whole question was, is this type of mithyatva? It's Shanshay. Question number 11. This question has 2 parts. Name in the Indian language 2 of the 6 essentials in Svetambar tradition.
In Shvetamba tradition, there's Salai and Kayotsak, and Devandhara, it's Guru Pasti again.
That is correct. Question number 12. This question has 2 parts. What are Gunsthana? Name the lowest and the highest.
Gunsthanakas are stages in spiritual development. The lowest one is the first Mithyatva, and the highest is Ayogikya.
That is correct. This ends round 2.
Team A from round 2 has 140 points. Team B has 60 points.
Last round is the grab bag round. This round will have 16 questions. This round will again be competitive, where the contestant who buzzes in first will have a chance to answer first. The contestant who buzzes in is not allowed to confer with other team members. They will gain 20 points for correct answer or lose 10 points for an incorrect answer or no answer. The second team will gain 20 points for correct answer and lose 10 points for an incorrect answer. The second team will have an option to pass the question without answering for no gain or no loss in points. These general questions tend to be a bit long, allowing certain people to clue into the correct answer even before they are read in its entirety, if they know more about that particular subject. It is important to note that the individual who buzzed in first will have to answer the question. He or she, after that point, cannot discuss with the team member. If the team member discusses this or give input to the individual who is supposed to answer, the team will be penalized as if the question was answered incorrectly. Name 2 scriptures written by Bhadrabahu Swami.
Kalpa Sutra and Ubasagara.
That is correct. What are the 3 of the 5 causes of ashra?
Avilati, Mithyatva, and Kashaya.
That is correct. Question 3. While meditating on this mantra, one can experience the sublimating energy of. That is correct. Question 4. Which 12th Agam Sutra is extinct and is
Drashti Bhav.
That is correct. Question number 5. What type of Shravak follows Jainism without a deep faith in it?
Dravya Shravak.
Dravya Shravak. The root cause of any incidents or situation.
They're called the 5 samahas, and they are Niyati, Swabhav, Nimitta, Purusharth, and Kal.
That is correct. The question was, the root cause for any incidents or situation to develop is a congruence of 5 reasons that always work together, and name any 3 of them. He answered all 5.
Can you repeat that again? Just
Yeah, the question is the root cause for any...
answer.
Oh, give the answer.
Kal, which is time, Swabhav.
Mike, here's the mic.
Kal, Swabhav, Niyati, Nimitta, and Purusharth.
His 3 answers is correct. Purusharth is correct also. And the required by the question were only 3 responses. One of the response was should have been prarabdha, which is karma. Purusharth has a separate one for self-effort. But his answer is correct because required was only 3 responses. Question number 7. What are the 4 auxiliary bhavanas?
Maitri, Pramod, Karuna, Madhyastha, which is friendship, compassion, appreciation, and charity.
That is correct. Name the 4 Shikshavratas.
Paushar, Tesave Kasika, Adhiti Samvibhag, and Sam.
That is correct. Who said this? Who heard it? And how? Parenthesis. Human life is the best.
Mahavir Swami said this. Thief Rohiniya heard it, and he was pulling out a thorn from his foot, and he accidentally heard it.
That is correct. Mahavir Swami said, human life is the best of all lives. It is possible to attain liberation only as a human. Every human being can attain salvation, irrespective of caste, creed, or color. Question number 10. This is a Jain unit of time.
Please answer.
That is incorrect. So the question goes to team B. This is a Jain unit of time. 10 to the power 16 of this equals 1 Sagarapam. This also means an innumerable number of years. What is it called?
It's called a Paliyopam.
That is correct. Question number 11. Devas or celestial beings and Narkis, infernal.
Vaikriya.
That is correct. Next question. Though he stayed at a dancer's place,
Sulibhadra.
that is correct. This phrase means forgiveness is the virtue.
Shama Virasya Bhushanam.
That is correct. Question number 14. In Navapadas, 5 pads are.
Nan, Darshan, Charitarita.
That is correct. Question number 15. In which previous life did Bhagwan Mahavir do?
The question was 5 padas.
Yeah, she said 4.
Previous one was 5
Which were the
padas.
other 4? 5 of them, she said these are 5. What are the other 4? So I said,
Name the other 4.
Okay, thank you.
You was?
Yeah.
I
It's okay. He attained Samyaktva in his first life. He attained his Nam Karma in his 25th life as Nandan Muni. In his first life, he was Nayasara. He attained Samyaktva.
That is incorrect. Okay.
What was the question?
Question goes to team B. Yeah. In which previous life did Bhagavan Mahavir do intense tap, but all tap went down the drain by doing Niyanu to be most powerful and kill his cousin brother in future lives who insulted him? Prince Vishwabudhi. Last question. Name any three of the four categories of perception related.
Please answer. Time.
Name any three of the four categories of perception related darshanavarniya or perception obscuring karma.
Chakshu, Achakshu, Avadhi and Kirva.
That is correct. This concludes all three rounds. Let's see the score.
Team A wins 440 points. Team B has 250 points.
Let's give entire team a big round of applause. They have worked very, very hard on this. Thank you for your presence. I appreciate it.
All the best to you and your JMB presentation up there. And Jaina, go get the balance from there, right? Get the number one spot. Last year, this year, we should push for that too again. I think we have the capability. We have the capability, we can do it. All right?
Pachala, thank you so much for working so hard on this. I know you guys have been meeting every weekend, and it's just, I'm so glad that you guys are doing so great. I feel like this year again, we're going to really get great, and you guys are doing a good job of representing Houston.
Thank you very much for the opportunity. Actually, more than anyone, I have really gained myself a lot because the things that I did not know, I learned so much. This is just my beginning because now it has created an interest in me that I want to continue on this journey. So I have done it for nobody but for myself. Thank you so much.
Yes, good job,
Thank you so much again. You know, Hammerman and Roll 16. Yes, indeed. You'll get a chance. Give me about a minute. Prepare as much as you can. You got only a few days left now. We definitely want to win this. If we win it second time in a row, we want to see this trophy coming home over here again, and we'll recognize the whole team and we'll celebrate it. I don't know whether people realize or not, but this is a great accomplishment. I know many of my EC members and BT members, if they took the test here, they'll all fail, I think. They'll probably gotten a minus marks, I think. I'm sorry, but that's a fact, because they didn't prepare. Unfortunately, they didn't show up other than a few people. I'm going to speak to them personally that they need to take part in supporting this kind of activities. I know from BT, Rajesh came personally, I appreciate it. From EC, I'm the only one showed up, I'm sorry. And also, well, Kamlesh came in late, I'm sorry. That won't count. That's right. Needs to be here on time for this kind of activity, right? And also from Zaina, I appreciate Himanshu taking part, helping out this team throughout. We really, really appreciate it. I want to share my sincere appreciation and all the best to the team. Give your best shot. All right? Thanks again.
I just wanted to let y'all know, I don't think anyone realizes how hard MIT has worked. She's obviously not going to say it, obviously, but from the team, MIT, there's been times when we've got emails at 4 o'clock in the morning because she's been up all night trying to gather question papers. By far, this is probably like the best coach we could have ever had because she comes like every Saturday. She works too, Monday through Saturday, and from work she comes immediately to Jane Center and meets with us for 3 hours. For the past 3 months, she's been like trying to do everything she can. She's gotten like thousands of questions for us. We've gotten like so many resources. She volunteers like so much of her time, and like I just wanted to let you guys know that, it's because of MIT that we're doing this good, because a lot of the times we don't even study, like we'll tell her, oh, we're studying, but she knows we're not studying, so she still works even harder to like make up for what we haven't studied for, and so like it couldn't have happened without you, MIT, so thank you for your hard work.
Don't believe any of these things he said, just say it. But I do want a hug from my team, and I apologize. I want to say, if I push them to work hard, can I have a team hug?
Sure.
Go for it, guys. Come on, guys.
You see, I can't even get a hug.
The whole team, let's take a picture of that. Can you take this picture over? You're going to point around the website. What are you doing? Yeah.
You too.
It's a good team.
Where's Park?
Where's Park?
Missing.
Yeah. Oh, actually, yeah, send them back there. It's come better.
Go get Park.
Where's the Park? Hey, 1 second.
Good for giving a platform. They have to win.
I know you're going to compete against the New Jersey team, I think, again.
Yeah, no.
Those guys prepare pretty well, so be prepared. Boston also was pretty good, huh? Well, I know. 2 years in a row will be great.
If you can, give the check in the name of Jain Society of Houston and put a note at the bottom showing that it is for fire department related donation. We will then add up all go out, so we can't wait too long. We got to help them out. And the second thing is that the senior citizen of Indian origin